And the two, let's get one out. What was it, 5/8? Oh God, make sure you guys bounce it in. Let me get all the materials out first, can I? Right, demonstration on the ZoomLock for EMS personnel. First of all, the gun, the jaws, push and turn, jaws slides in, push and turn, your gun's all ready to go. Straight connector, your pipe, always cut the pipe so you get you don't get a fresh end on it. Deburrer, deburr the inside of the pipe.
Deburring the fresh end got already done.
He already done that. He did, that's right. Descourer, clean the end of the pipe. Because sometimes that nipple lets the pipe go all the way through. So my suggestion, what I do, lay it alongside, mark the pipe, so you've got an indicator of where you're going to. Push the pipe in, grab the ZoomLock. You've got two areas where the insert got to go. Clamp. With the REMs, you hear a click when it's done, but with this you don't. And that's it.
So how do you know when it's done? It just stops?
That just stops automatically. And that is your fit in sorted.